Good morning, dear students. Welcome to e-learning class of English. Dear students, you have learnt about simple present tense. Today, we will learn present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to tell about the action going on at the time of speaking. For example, children are running. The dog is barking. Present continuous tense is used to tell about the action going on these days. For example, Meera is reading storybooks these days. Rahul and Riya are learning music. We use present continuous tense to tell about the action planned to take place in near future. For example, we are going to party tonight. Dear students, now we will learn more about present continuous tense. First of all, we will learn about the rule which we follow in present continuous tense. The rule is subject plus is MR plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. This is the rule which we follow in present continuous tense. We use is with he, she, it and singular noun. Singular noun means name of one person, place or thing. We use are with they, you, we and plural noun. Plural noun means name of more than one person, place or thing. Now I will tell you where we use am. Am is always used with I. See some examples of present continuous tense. Priya is playing with a doll. Yes, we are talking about single person. So we have used is. Playing, play is first form of the verb and we have added ing, playing. Priya is playing with a doll. Second sentence. He is reading a book. I am helping my mother. I have told you that with I we use am. Am is always used with I. Fourth example. They are going to Delhi. Yes, we have discussed earlier that we will use are with they, we and you. Fifth example, birds are flying in the sky. Birds is plural noun. So we have used are. Birds are flying in the sky. Now we will learn to change sentences of present continuous tense into interrogative sentences. First of all, we will say the rule. We will start our sentences with is MR plus subject plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Now see the examples. I have told you that we will start our sentence with is MR. So first sentence is Priya playing with a doll? Question mark. Don't forget to put question mark. Second sentence, is he reading a book? Question mark. Am I helping my mother? Question mark. Fourth sentence, are they going to Delhi? Question mark. Fifth sentence, are birds flying in the sky? Yes, students, now you have seen that we have started our sentences with is, am, are. Now we will learn to change sentences of present continuous tense into negative sentences. First of all, we will see the rule subject plus is, am, are plus not plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. To change the sentences into negative sentence, we use not with is, am, are. Yes, students, now we will see some examples. Example 1. Priya is not playing with a doll. Yes, dear students, you can see that I have used not with is to change into negative sentence. Second sentence, he is not reading a book. Third example, I am not helping my mother. Yes, you can see that I have used not with am. Fourth example, they are not going to Delhi. Fifth example, birds are not flying in the sky. Yes, dear students, you can see that I have used not with helping verb to change these sentences into negative sentence. Dear students, hope you all have understood well. Thank you.